Hola, señor. ¿Cómo estás, mi señor? Matei? Hey, man. Can you hear me? I guess so.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Yeah, perfect. Alright, then. Okay, let's all. I just send you some picture. I think we're gonna do like 10 of them or something like that. And
That's it?
we'll see. Actually,
Well,
20.
it's because you're cut on time, right?
Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. Alright?
Okay.
Who knows? Maybe we're gonna solve all of them. Okay, so first exercise is about triangles. Try to do it.
Calculate a height from A in a triangle ABC if a height from D triangle DEF is 3 centimeters.
Start from the basic. You know the triangle ABC and DEF are similar, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just draw them. A, B, and C. And D, E, F. Now you know that DE over AB equals with DF over AC equals with EF over BC and equals with 3. Okay, calculate the height from A in triangle A.
Okay,
So you know that.
if we know that D is 3 centimeters of height.
Yeah, so here's 3 centimeters.
Okay.
And you need to find this one.
Okay, D, E, F.
Yeah, man. This one is pretty simple. It's actually very simple. It's just simple. Like, look, you know that D E, or actually take with, take look D E, right, over AB equals with 3. What does that mean? That DE is 3 times bigger than AB. So DE is 3 of AB, right? Now, that logic in mind, that height, this one, let's call it dk. dk equals 3 of AQ. Okay? Now you know dk is 3 equals with 3AQ, which means AQ is going to be
3AQ.
Yeah, 3 equals with 3AQ. Now only AQ is.
Now only AQ is.
Come on, man. You have 3 equals with 3x. X is 1. Just 1. So
7.
AQ is 1. No, it's just 1. Oh. This thing it gives you that the triangle DEF is 3 times larger and bigger in scale than the triangle ABC. It's like what you do in school, like what you do, like scale up and scale down, right? That's kind of the same logic here. Alright?
Alright.
Let's take the second one.
An isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 160 centimeters and its base is 20 centimeters smaller than any of the congruent sides. Find the cosine.
Cosine.
The cosine.
Hold on, did you learn trigonometry? Seriously?
Wait, what?
Did you learn about trigonometry?
No, but it's just that we're not learning about it right now, but basically I just like watch a bunch of videos about like math and all of that from time to time, and they're just and some of them are like just in general, like
Nerd.
geometry.
Just
So,
kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
right? Let's
Just...
take a look at.
Yeah, I was just thinking like, okay, cosine then. Okay, sure. Alright, so you have an isosceles triangle. You know what isosceles triangle is?
It's a triangle that I know it like maybe it matches sides, like it has some sides, or maybe all of the sides match. All of the sides match.
Only two of them match.
Oh.
Okay, so these two are matching. This one is called the base. This one called lateral, or just I don't know.
This one's kind of very easy because if the base is 20 centimeters smaller than any congruent side, and the congruent sides, and it all adds up to 160.
Yeah.
So that means each side would be 160 divided by 2 would be 80, and then if we were to take 10,
Hold on,
what
what you're talking about?
it is
Just
in any else. So like.
yeah, just note all of them as x, and the base is x plus 20,
So
right?
then like, would it be like 70, 70, and 20?
Man, don't complicate
No,
yourself.
that doesn't
Just
matter.
use this x minus 20, not plus 20. It's minus because it's smaller. X minus 20 equals with 160, right? Now x plus x plus x is 3x minus 20 is 160. No, just solve for x. 3x is
3x is minus, you bring over positive, so 180.
yeah, so 180, and x is,
and x is let me think. I can't think right now. It's gonna be 180 divided by 3. Oh, it's just it's 6. No, 60. Yeah, 6.
yeah, 60. So here's 60. Here is also 60, and here is going to be 40. Now about cosine. How can you find the cosine? Just, oh, come on, man. Dude. How can I cancel the notification? Come on. Okay. Damn. Hold on a moment, man. Sorry. I think it's supposed to be closed. Do not disturb is on. Okay. Then do not disturb me. Alright. Okay. So, I can remember the cosine. Just use this thing. Oh my gosh.
What?
Dude, I'm gonna
You're gonna punch the screen?
quit. How can you remember cosine? Just use this thing. It's called, just remember, SOHCAHTOA. Can you pronounce it? SOHCAHTOA?
Sohkato.
No, I cannot hear you.
Okay.
No.
Sohkato.
Toa, yeah, SOHCAHTOA. Now, what this is telling you is that sinus equals with opposite over hypotenuse. A cosine is equal with adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now, in your case, cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, and you don't have any adjacent. Okay. Now, this thing, SOHCAHTOA, you can only use it in a right triangle. So, if you want to find the cosine of a base triangle, the problem is telling you, find the cosine of angle at the base of a triangle. So you need to find this angle. What you're gonna do, because it's isosceles, you're gonna take the height of it. And now remember, what the height in an isosceles triangle does is the median, is the bisector, and it's also the height, is the median, and is the bisector. Now, the bisector, what does it mean? It splits the side that falls into two parts.
In half, yeah.
Yeah. The angles is a bisector. The median, it splits it into half. So if all BC was like 40, then that means KC is going to be 20. Alright?
Alright.
So now, you need to find the cosine. You use the SOHCAHTOA. So cosine of angle C is going to be SOHCAHTOA adjacent. Now, what's the adjacent? The adjacent is this one, KC. So KC over hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is AC over AC. Now, the cosine of angle C is going to be KC is 20 over 60, which is 1/3. And that's it. Now, do you know the trigonometric table?
The what?
Alright, so do you remember in prime school you learn about the multiplication table?
Yeah.
Now, surprise, surprise, you're gonna learn about trigonometry table too. Is this thing. You will need to I think you will need to memorize it, but I'm not sure. So look, cosine of, actually there's not 1/3. What's our answer? 1/3, yeah. Cosine, 1, 2, 0. Yeah, we don't have 1/3. Anyway. You will need to remember this thing.
What?
Yeah. Don't worry. There's a way to like.
No, pull that up again. Excuse me. Am I supposed to like relearn an entire a different set of multiplication table or some shit?
That's not multiplication table. That's like.
Because it's the idea is the same. You have and you just gotta remember when they. Oh my god.
Yeah, actually, you
pi
know.
Over 6, pi over.
Yeah, actually.
Square root of 3 over 2.
Yeah. So you know how you learn multiplication table, but now that you learn, you actually can think that actually 3 times 9 is just, I don't know, 9 plus 9 plus 9.
27.
Yeah, so it's like at the beginning you need to memorize it, but then it kind of makes sense and you don't need to anymore.
Over time, first when I learned it, it just clicked with me, and after years and years of using it, I just get used to it.
Yeah, so here you see, you kind of think about and what's going on, but that's actually a pretty easy way to just memorize it. But you don't need to memorize it. If you forget it, it's an easy way to construct it again. There's a rule, and it's easy to construct. So if you don't remember it, you can just pull up a pen and I don't know, a piece of paper, and just you can reconstruct that thing again. It's easy to reconstruct, so don't worry about that. Okay? Alright, man?
Alright.
3.
Chicken B. An isosceles triangle has an angle of 120 degrees. Find the measure of the other angles of a triangle. Find the length of the sides of a triangle, knowing by the height of the corresponding of the bases, the length was 8 centimeters. Okay, isosceles triangle. Two sides are congruent.
And also the angles at the base are congruent. This one and this one are also congruent.
And of the height, knowing that the height corresponding to the base has a length of 8 centimeters. And that the height is.
Yeah, just look, it's case A. So first for case A and then for B.
Okay.
So you need to find the measure of all the angles. You know that 1 is 120. Which one is going to be 120? This one is going to be 120, or this one and this one?
The top one?
Yeah, the top one, because if the bottom one are 120, then you're gonna have 120 plus 120, which is 240. But in a triangle, you need to have at most 180.
So wait, but then that just means you'd be 120 plus plus 35, I guess.
Yeah, 120 plus. No. Hold on. The measure of angle B. Man, I'm gonna just write like that. B, alright? Plus
Alright.
C. is going to be 180 minus 20, 120, which is 6, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Now you know that B and C
Oh,
are equal.
so it's just
Yeah.
30.
So measure of angle B is going to be 30. Measure of angle C is also going to be 30. Alright, so case B, find the length of the sides of a triangle knowing that the height corresponding to the base has a length of 8. Now, in simple English, it tells you that this thing, AK, is 8. Man, that's easy. That's easy. Did you remember I told you the theory of a 30-degree angle?
Of a degree of a 30-degree angle.
Yeah.
I think you taught it to me yesterday, right?
Not actually, it was like a while ago.
I haven't.
Okay, so look, just looking into this triangle, look in triangle AKS. So it's a right triangle, right?
Yeah.
A, K, and S. Now, you actually know, so AK is the leg, right?
Yeah.
KC is also the leg, and that means AC is the hypotenuse, right?
Yeah.
Here's a 30-degree angle. Now, the theory of 30-degree angle tells you that the leg opposite to it is half of a hypotenuse, which basically means that AK is going to be half of a hypotenuse, AC over 2. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you know that AK is 8. You can easily find AC. What's going to be? AC will be AC is
AC is AC also 8 also would be 4.
4 over 2 is 8.
No, wait, 4. No, it's 2.
2 over 2 is 8.
No, 16.
16, yeah. So now look, you know the hypotenuse 16, you know one leg. Using the Pythagorean theory, you can find the second leg. Do you remember the Pythagora?
Pythagora.
Yeah.
H isn't a like
First leg to the second power plus the second leg to the second power is going to be hypotenuse to the second power.
Okay.
Now, you know one leg is 8, so 8 to the second power plus kc to the second power equals to the hypotenuse, which is 16 to the second power. And now just find kc. Come on, Matei. 8 to the second power.
8 to the second power. 8 to the second power is A equal. Wait, my brain's kind of malfunctioning right now.
Yeah, it was 8 times 8.
8 times 8.
64 plus kc to the second power. Now 16 to the second power.
16 to the second power. 16 to the second. 16 times 16. Can I use a calculator or no?
Yeah, sure, use it.
Why is it not working?
Man.
Yeah, but can you use yours, man? It just isn't loading up.
256.
Okay.
Now KC's will be
KC will be KC.
man. What's happened to you? 256 minus 64.
I don't know. My brain is just like malfunctioning right now.
Okay, look. Then we're gonna just solve 8 exercises and well done. Okay, just focus now. Okay.
Okay, I'll try to focus. KC, it's 256. Okay, 256 minus 64, 191. No, 92. 192.
Yeah, 2. Yeah. Now KC is going to be the square root of this thing.
And the square root of 192 is 13.85640646055.
You use a calculator now?
Yeah, I use my now it open. I don't know, it's just kind of laggy.
Yeah, okay. That was the... Okay. So we have 5 more and we'll be done. Okay, let's try this one.
An isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 34 centimeters, and the midpoint of its base is connected its vertex by a line to one of its congruent sides with a length of 5 centimeters. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. So we have an isosceles triangle. In total, all of the angles added up is 34 centimeters.
Not the angles, the sides. The sides.
Yeah, the sides. All of the sides added up gives us 34 centimeters. The midpoint of its base is connected to its vertex by a line. Is it just talking about the height in a fancy way or something?
I don't know. Let me see. So, yeah. Oh, 30. And the middle point of its base is connected to the vertex by a line parallel to one is. Oh my god!
What is it saying?
So I translated this thing. This problem was translated from Romanian to English, right? Using AI.
And it fucked up the translation.
No, it didn't fucked up on translation. Actually. So in Romanian, there's a definition called linie mijlocie, which basically means it's this thing from here. So this one.
Heads up, I've never heard of it.
Yeah. So like, think about you have a triangle, right? Yeah. And you just fold it in half. So the point where you fold it in half is called linie mijlocie.
Oh, so it's talking about like the point, like that point when.
Yeah. The line that you fold a triangle.
Okay.
Yeah, think about on nachos, right? So the nachos you can split the triangle in half, if you want. So that line has a 5 centimeters, and you didn't learn about linie mijlocie, so okay. Now, the point of linie mijlocie is that it splits these things into 2 parts equal of each other. So all of these 4 sides are equal of each other. And also, okay. Oh my god, no. Man.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me read that again. And the midpoint of its base is connected to its vertex by a line parallel to one of congruent side. Oh my god. Okay, so look, the linie mijlocie in a right triangle, so MN, just let's call it like that, MN. If you want MN, the linie mijlocie is going to be the side that is parallel to, in our case, BC over 2. Now you know MN is 5, so 5 equals BC over 2. BC is going to be
BC is going to be um so if BC is half of 5, then no, 5, so 10.
Yeah, BC is 10. Now you know the whole perimeter is 34. This thing is 10, and this thing is x, this thing is also x.
So it would be 11. No, 12.
12, yeah, so
yeah.
2x plus 10 equals to 34. 2x equals with 24, x equals with 12. Yeah. Alright. Damn. The midpoint of this vertex, oh my god.
Yay, we learned a whole new thing just to solve a problem.
Yeah, get used to
One
it.
of the exterior angles with an isosceles triangle measures 38 degrees. Find all the interior angles of a triangle.
Yeah, so again, there's one thing. So if you have a triangle,
An isosceles.
an isosceles triangle, yeah, A, B, and C. Now, the angles that are inside, so this one, don't forget that this one is also congruent, are called interior angles. Now, the ones that are outside, so this one, okay, let me denote it with red. So this one.
Oh, the ones outside of it. So if the one outside is 38, then like.
Yeah, then the one inside is.
Then the one. No, the one outside is 38. So then it would just be 180 minus. No.
Yeah, 180 minus 38, which is.
Which is 180 minus 38. Okay. You do the math. That gives us 70, and then minus 8. 162.
7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4.
152, I think.
142. It gives you 142.
Oh, okay. 142.
So the exterior angle actually was this one from here. Okay.
Okay.
Now you know that one is 142. What? This one. This one is 142. Which means that these two angles are going to be.
These two angles are going to be 100. This is going to be 132 divided by 2 is.
Hold on. Don't. This angle is 142. These two angles are congruent with each other. But don't forget that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is in 180. Now, this one plus this one will add up to 38.
So then half of 38 is
19?
19?
Yeah, so 19 angles. So you have one angle of 142, one angle of 19, and another one of 19 too. So these are angles.
And that all would add up to 180.
108, right. Six.
One of the exterior angles, it's the same thing except with a different number. So isosceles triangle we make, and then.
Come on, same thing. 180 minus 140.
Yeah, would be 56.
66.
66.
Yeah, so it's 66. Oh. Now, the other two angles are going to be what? You know, one angle is 66.
So then the other two angles are going to be half of the 66, which is 33.
Yeah, but look, one of the exterior angle for vertex of isosceles triangle is 140
degrees. So if the exterior, so then the
140
inside is
140 divided by 2, man.
Let's just 62. No.
Okay, so look,
62.
2 goes into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. You minus, which is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So it's 57. Now, this angle is 57. This angle is 57. This one is 66. Got
Dogger,
it?
dogger.
Okay.
Ugh.
7.
An isosceles triangle, one of the exterior angles at a vertex, 70 angle, 70 measure. Find all the angles at the base of. Isn't that the same question, just like rewritten? Or
Not really. So you need to find these two angles.
okay. So isosceles, so two sides are congruent.
Yeah, and you know
And
here is 70, so here you have 70 degree,
yeah.
which means
And
this one is going to be
110.
110, and the sum of these two is going to be
Um,
70,
uh,
which means one of these angles will be
35.
35 and 35. Okay, did you get into the mood or no?
It's a little bit wonky, splunky.
All right.
And the right triangle ABC, we have measurement. What's that?
Measurement of angle B.
Measurement of angle B is 90 degrees, so we know that B is the right.
Yeah.
Yes, that angle. If A to C, the hypotenuse is 5 centimeters, and the
Cosine.
cosine of measurements A is 0.8.
Now, what means cosine? So, kah, to. Now, cosine. So, cosine of angle A is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent AB over hypotenuse. What's the hypotenuse?
5.
AC, right? AB over AC. Now you know the cosine of angle A is 0.8, which means that AB over AC is 0.8.
Also then load, so 0.8 times 5 would be, wait, 8 times 5 is 47, like 4.
Yeah.
4?
Yeah, 44.5, right? No, 4.
Yeah.
Actually 4, just 4.
Yeah, just 4.
Yeah.
I said just 4.
Yeah, it's 4. You're right. So now AB is 4, AC is 5, you use a Pythagora and you find BC. It's a nice problem to end the class, but okay. Yeah, man. Okay, it's going to be your call. If you want, we can do another half an hour. If not, we'll stop.
Okay.
So use a Pythagora. What's the theory of Pythagora? Okay, look.
Hypotenuse or AC equals AB plus BC.
Yeah, but all to the second power, right?
All to the second power. Yeah.
Yeah, AC to the second power equals AB to the second power and plus BC to the second power. Now just plug the numbers in it.
Okay. We have okay, so AC is 5, so 5 to the power of 2 equals 5 to the power of 2 equals 4 to the power of 2 plus 0.8
plus BC, come on.
plus BC. Oh, we're solving for BC, okay.
Yeah.
So you would flip the side, so BC squared would equal 5 squared plus 4 squared
Minus
4 squared. And you would get BC squared equals 25 minus 16. 6.
Oh my god, man, what the happened to you? 25 minus 16, come on.
Yeah, 9.
9, okay, and BC is?
BC
root of 9 and it's 3. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you can definitely see my brain is a little melted right now.
Damn it, no, sorry, but I don't think it's a point to do the class because you will forget everything that we do now.
Yeah,
You didn't sleep that night or what?
I did, but just a really bad sleep. Like
Okay.
I had like a nightmare. I woke up at like 2, then I went back to sleep and